Okay. 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 Thank God I can remove that. Um, World beacons. Oh, travel to respite. Wait, is this respite? Oh, yes. Okay. It's instant zero animation. Where did you lose all your health? Huh? Do you need stuff to eat? Why? Why are you so low on health? No idea. Okay. Hammer. Oh, I can make this right now. Nice. Okay. But how will I equip everything that I have? I definitely need this for logging. I need this for getting rocks. I need this for climbing for sure. I need this for skinning. I guess I don't need this. Hmm. Okay, equivalent. Nice. I think I'll just break this down. And this. What about you? Simple climbing picks. Yeah, break this down also. Now let's see. Equivalent. Yeah. Oh, that is not what I meant to do. Put the tin ores. From here. Animal fiber. From meat? Animal fiber. What is animal fiber? These sinews and huh. Okay. Leather straps. I definitely need this. So I will autofill. Oh, what is this? Fabled hide? No, 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 no. Let me not use that. Is there something else? Thank you. Yeah, use this. Do that. Craft. Fancy animation on. Fancy animation. Okay. Let me go to the building stuff. New. Rustic sconce. Table lamp. Candle. This one. I probably need these two first. Probably this one first. Oh, I can just place it inside. Yeah, I'll just place it inside. Nice. I don't have anything. Huh. Extract, extract, extract. Nice. Okay, the next thing is this is the smelter. This is the smelter. Oh, come on. Make it at least bigger than this workbench or something. This is a smelter, by the way. Like you smelt ore in this. Oh, come on. This is like some children's like toy piece or something. What is this? Okay. Yeah, just place it over there. Sure. That's okay. Craft item. Mixed plants. Stamina, hunger mitigation. Duration is 720. 720. 360. Okay. Yeah. Put both of those over there. That's one way of getting rid of your stuff from your inventory. Yeah, that's nice. Storage. I wish I get. I have some better stuff, but I don't. Oh, what was that? Did it craft stuff? Yeah, or maybe the fuel ran out. Yeah, fuel. Oh, you can put coal? I got coal? When did I get coal? The fuel of industry. Nice. Okay. Get all of this as quickly as possible. Oh yeah, how can I get her to get stuff? Oh, there is move over here. So there is move button for the blueprint, but not the final crafted version. Really? Yeah. Okay. I'm one off. Wait, come here. Let's see if I can speak. Set behavior, stand still, work here, follow me, manage inventory. Okay, what if I just speak to you? Set behavior. It's all allowed. Okay. Work here. What does this mean? Come here, come here. Let's see. Let me put you to. Come on, where did you teleport? Okay. Work here. Come on, there are some blueprints. Go get stuff. No? Okay. Okay, just follow me. Maybe there is a there is some other table or something which I need to probably wait. Why am I doing this? So let me get this. This is +2. This is +1. I should be doing this all this time. Okay. But I guess it doesn't matter. There is so much. Oh my god. Oh shit. He keeps teleporting everywhere. There's so much stuff everywhere that I guess it doesn't matter. Okay, what do you need? Logs? Stone? Ore? What ore? There is some ore. Are you not picking stuff up from there to craft? Oh, you did. Okay. Nice. Okay, now all I need is... So first put all of this stuff in here. I don't need any of this in my inventory. Maybe that. Yeah. Looks good. Now let me go get some stone. Ooh. That was not a holy essence. What? Not holy. What is this? Hopeful essence. Why did I call holy? Because it was like yellow glowing. My mind automatically goes to like the holy damage type. Okay, she keeps scaring me. Like suddenly appearing behind me. Why is it moving? Okay. Oh. Wait, can you carry stuff? Come here, come here. Oh, you can! Okay, okay. Wait. Carry this. Nice. Up. Wait, do you have encumbrance? She doesn't. Oh my god. Okay. Nice. Can I craft directly from her inventory? Is that possible? Where did she go? Oh, she teleported here. Let's see if I can craft directly from her inventory. Nope, I can't. That would be so OP. Like I would put all the uh, lumber and stone into her inventory. That'll be so easy. Oh no, I did not even see this. Okay, let me eat something. Oh my god, I did not even look at that. Let me eat that again. Yeah. Okay, I'll do that. Nice. Add fuel, craft item. What can you craft? Glass, you need gem. Ingots, you need ore. Reclaimed ingot, refined metal. Shaft, you need ingots. Wire, you need ingots. Okay. What can you craft? Simple boots. I wish it showed me. Oh, it's. I wish it showed me the gear score. Why doesn't it show me the gear score? Okay, it's simple boots. Let's see my boots. Shoddy barrister's shoes. So they should be better. I hope. It's 3 seconds to craft. So there is an animation as soon as I put it to craft. And in 3 by the time that animation finishes, the crafting is over. So there is another animation. Oh, nice. Okay. Perfect. How can I compare between this and this without like hovering over these? I guess I can't. Okay, 5 maximum health and stealth rating. 10 maximum health, 5 stamina, 1% stealth. 5% stealth. Tier 1 ray pelt. Oh! Wait a second, I did not even realize this. So every single time I put stuff, it takes attribute bonuses from the stuff that I'm putting over there. I probably shouldn't do autofill from now on. Okay, so if I want to craft better stuff, I need to use better attribute stuff. Like I can't keep using the same low quality stuff. Okay, so let's see. If I do autofill, so this has stamina regen 1, maleficium resistance 5, so I am getting that. Okay, remove that. I'm not using that now. Wait, why did I try to... Okay, I don't know why I am doing this. Can I remove this? Thank you. I need leather. Yeah. So this equivalent. Nice. Then come here. Oh, can I? Oh, she already has a better gear, so I can just extract that. Leather straps. Okay, I can craft this. Autofill. Let's see. Is there an option? Maximum health and max stamina. Does it matter right now? I mean, stamina is nice. Sure. Two animations back to back. Okay, now what did I get? Oh, did I make a hat? No, I made the gloves. Okay. Hey, what is my gear score, by the way? Why is my gear score so low? What's happening? Oh, I am unarmed. Okay. Okay, 15. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay. This is the, yeah, this is 20. Yes. Okay. And now let's see. Let me make the coat. Coat. Is it this one? I think so. Okay, autofill. Max health. Do that. Craft. Nice. Oh, that was this. That was not the coat. Okay. So simple pack. Okay, this is also not the one, by the way. Simple pack. Max weight by 50. Oh my god, that's so nice. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Then let's see. Simple head wrap. Okay. Autofill. Max health, max stamina. Sure. Either is fine. I don't care right now about that. Gloves. Do I have gloves? Yeah, I have gloves. I should not craft gloves. Okay. What is this? Okay, can I look at myself, by the way? Um, can I? No, I don't think I can. Okay, it's fine. I want to see how I look with all of this, all of wearing all of this. Boots, gloves. It's probably this. I don't have plant fiber. Hmm. So pick up my sickle. Not enough stamina. Oh, oh, I know why. I need to take rest. Or else the max stamina keeps reducing. I completely forgot. Yes, that's more than enough. Oh, I don't want that. Okay. Leather. Nice. So once that crafts, I'm good to go. So I shall get this. Then what else? Coat. Coat is one thing which is not there over here. Is it this? I think it's this. Okay. I think it's this. Okay, that takes a long time. extract, extract. And like all of these, the problem is like because there are so many attributes for each of these stuff, every single one of these is like a different, it occupies a space in the inventory. So you need so much storage. Like there are so many duplicated stuff. Even though it's not duplicate, it's like duplicated. That's annoying. Okay, let's do this. I need to do that, right? Yeah, pants and coat. Those are the two things. So pants, autofill. As long as I'm not using that, I'm good. Okay, do that. Craft. Okay, then capelet. I need more of this. Nice. Oh, you also get sticks from that. Okay. Oh, you can't autocraft from here. You have to collect the item and then come here. Okay. So autofill. Diving ever further. Nice. Okay. Nice. Perfect. Okay. So my inventory is empty. All of my gear is upgraded. Oh, I can look at myself. Nice. Wait, where's my hat? Where's my helmet? Okay. Also, what is this? Swing boomerang. Throw your sickle out like a boomerang, dealing damage to all targets in this path. What? Okay, I'm doing that. What? You're kidding me. But why is it consuming its durability every single throw? Yeah, that's stupid. Okay, what is this? Parry. Raise your knife. Okay, so there is a parry. I can't hold it. Okay, that's nice. What is this? Swing. Why does he do this? Like he shows off first and then then like hits the enemy. Like why? Just hit the enemy. What is this? It's block. What is this? Block. Oh, I forgot. I need to build a hammer. Autofill. That's the only. Yeah, that's the only like. Why does it say tools though? Wait, let me see what. For those hoping to maintain permanent settlements, a few tools are. I thought. Okay. I thought this was a weapon. Oh man. It's not a weapon. Okay, I have crafted everything that I can. It's unfortunate I still don't have a weapon. Like she has a weapon. I don't have a weapon. Let's see. Bludgeoning. Let's see what that does. 3. Okay, if something is damaged, will it show it to me? Oh yes, it does. Okay, but I have to take this. I have to take the specific tool and like go all around my base and try to see the one that is damaged. Okay, that seems. That's one thing which I did not like about a couple of the games in the survival genre which recently came. It's very difficult to repair stuff, like go through all the stuff that you have. Take a look at it. Like Sunken Land has similar stuff. This has similar stuff. Enshrouded has similar like going through every single thing and trying to repair is just tedious. Okay. Now I think I can place this over there. I don't need that. Oh, okay. Repair all. Right. Nice. I'm good. Are you good? I guess so. I hope she is good. She has so low health. I don't know how to get her to recover her health. Wait, wait, wait. What if... Wait, 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 wait. What if I give you this? Will that help? No. I don't think it's helping. Uh, yeah, sure. Okay, now let's see. I think I'll make my way all the way down there again. Also, let me go to the skull icon again and see if I have missed something. Like, this is really weird. Okay. That's sure. That's Estelle over there. Slowly coming over here. Oh. Wait, wait, wait. Let me head back. Because I don't know how to save. And I don't think I'll be able to complete that place today. So I will pick this up tomorrow. I will head back to my base. Oh, I can just do that. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I will be stopping it over here today. I'm quite enjoying it. There is a lot of really cool features. There is a lot of exploration to do. And I'm really excited to at least do a couple more streams at least. I want to check out at least this specific island sort of thoroughly. I don't think I will be doing every single minor thing, but I will be doing quite a bit. So I will be playing this quite a lot, I think for a week or so. I had some plans to do Elden Ring, but I have already played that once completely, and I wanted to complete it before the DLC drop, but man, it's so daunting. It's a very huge game, and I had no confidence in myself of finishing that game before the DLC dropped, especially on stream. So I was like, maybe I'll just play it off stream and see if I can complete it. Because the first time I played it around 60-70 hours to complete the game. I completed it within a week, but when it dropped initially, there was that excitement, right? Which was like new and all of that. So, and all of that was brand new for me. So there was that. So, but now, since I've already played, the excitement is not that much, but the excitement is there for the DLC that drops. But in order to do that DLC, I need to complete that game, which is really daunting. It's a very, very huge game. And I can't continue my previous character because I have forgotten everything that I have done in that. And also, it's right now a PvP character. At the end of the game, I made it so that for an invasion purpose. So I have completely modified that specific character. and that character cannot defeat any boss. It's basically like a tank. It's a huge, big tank, so it can't deal with any bosses. So for that reason, I think so that's the reason I did not like cover it on stream, but I will probably, I am playing it on offline, but I haven't made too much progress. I'm still in first area, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to complete before the DLC drops, but let's see. But on the other hand, this was a game which I had missed when it dropped, but I did not feel like I missed too much when it dropped because it had too many issues. There were like server issues, there were that, this and all. So I was like, okay, let me wait for a while. Now it's in a decent spot. There's still a lot more stuff to come in here, of course, but it's at least something that I can check out. So I wanted to do that. So with that, I'll be playing this for a while, at least for a couple of days, and checking all it has to offer. And I'm quite enjoying it. There's a lot of like crafting stuff, a lot of that. Combat, I have not yet quite experienced too much of combat in this game because I still don't have a weapon, if you can see. I hope I get a specific weapon specifically for combat. Then I will actually experience that. But till then, yeah, there's a lot of other stuff to do. Yeah, with that, I'll be ending my stream here. So thank you everyone. See you guys tomorrow.